This role of engineering manager, site reliability, is at Google. Everyone knows about Google. The location for this job is in Sydney, Australia, and the work type is hybrid. Also, this job is mainly around SRE, and SRE practices at Google are really unique because of the scale of this company. SRE or Site Reliability Engineering refers to the combination of software and system engineering to build and run large scale, massively distributed fault tolerant systems. SRE ensures that Google services, both their internally critical and their externally visible systems, have reliability, uptime appropriate to users' needs, and a fast rate of improvement. As part of this role, this manager will keep an ever watchful eye on their system capacity and performance because much of Google's software development focuses on optimizing existing systems, building infrastructure, and eliminating work through automation. As part of this team, you will have the opportunity to manage the complex challenges of scale which are unique to Google while using your expertise in coding, algorithm, complexity analysis, and large scale system design. Yes, as part of this role, you would need experience working with C, C++, Java, Go, or Python, any one of them. You should also have some experience, around 3 years of it, in technical leadership and people management. If you have a bachelor's degree in computer science, any related technical field, that should be good enough. So if you want to work at Google and feel like this job is for you, then go to Google's website and apply from there. Thank you very much.